G'day and welcome to the Half Stitch Block and Spiders in the Priscilla Sampler with Jenny Brandis. We start by having a total of 2 twists on the incoming pairs. We will add a total of 2 twists on the outgoing pairs to add a firmer edge to the half stitch block. So let's get started. Adding 2 twists. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Half stitch the centre 2 pairs, cross, twist. Put up the pin, tension, close the pin, cross, twist. Bring in the new pair and cross, twist. Add the pin twist and put up the pin. Half stitch back to the left side, cross, twist, cross, twist. Bring in the new pair and cross, twist. Add the pin twist and put up the pin. Tension. Return to the right side with half stitch. Bring in the new pair and put up the pin and tension. Continue in half stitch to the centre pin. You will end up with 3 passive pairs on each side with the weaver pairs joining at this pin. Put up the pin and close with cross, twist. Work the left side of the spider in half stitch. Push the spider leg pairs out of the way for now. Work the right side of the spider in half stitch using the new weaver pair from the centre pin. We can't go any further until we have worked the top of the spider. In this case it is worked in cross stitch. Now that the spider is done, we work the corners of the half stitch block. I will slow the work shortly. This spider leg goes into and immediately out of the half stitch corner. In fact, it becomes the first leg of the second spider. Add 3 twists to that pair. Work in half stitch to the outside corner. Tension. The next pin down is where we will change the weaver. Close the corner with cross and twist. That pair is coming out, so make sure it has 2 twists. This is where we change the weaver. Cross and twist. Put up the pin, cross and twist. Add a second twist to the left pair and lay aside. Working with the new weaver pair, half stitch to the corner of the spider. Next work the right corner of the half stitched block, the spider and down both sides of the spider. Take the 2 weaver pairs and join them at the centre pin, cross and twist. Put up the pin, close the pin with cross and twist. This now makes this thread the main weaver for the rest of the block. Work the remaining in half stitch. Thank you for watching this video and I hope it has helped.